to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video, and I'm coming to you guys with a special video. This is sponsored by Honey Hair Co, y'all, and I am the first person to sponsor this ginger spice hair, y'all. They're coming out with a hair collection, and it's their Hive collection. This is a part of the collection, and I am the first to be testing it out, and I'm so excited. You definitely want to shop with them. Don't forget to use the code BMarie for 20% off. So they also will be having a pay installment for all hairs. Pay 25% of your order and you get 0% interest on hair that you buy. I don't want to talk too long because there is a makeup tutorial in this look that I did. I want to do something soft and let the hair speak for itself. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, including the hair in it, it's something special at the end, so please stay tuned. If you want to see how I achieve this look, and then keep on watching.
Alright now, so first thing first, let's get into this cap. This is a cap that we got from the beauty supply. These used to be really cheap. And what my mom is doing is basically trying to lay this cap down before we put on a wig. So she's cutting out each side of the ear tab so that when she glues it down, it could be a tab on the side so that when she lays the wig down, I'll have sideburns. So right now what she's doing is spraying got to be glue onto the cap, and I want to sit under the dryer for at least 10 minutes so that everything can dry completely. Now I don't know why I was showing on probably kind of low, but it was really good, y'all. So what my mom is doing is basically cutting off the excess of the cap in the front and also in the back. Basically could look like a ball cap. That's what you want when you put on your lace wigs.
Hair is from Honey Hair Co. We are rocking the ginger spice. Tanned it with some bronzing spray so that it can match my skin. It was so light and I didn't want to bleach it at all. And she pre-plucked.
Now the lace wasn't bleached on this wig at all, and right now what I'm doing is using Ghost Bond glue where my mom is, and you use alcohol first, and I also sprayed some bronzing spray on my cap so that everything can fade in so it can look like a ball cap, but it actually looks a little darker. I don't know, I'm not really good at these wig things, me or my mama, y'all, so just bear with us. Now right here, this is where it got really, now it looks really good right here because you can't see any line of demarcation because the lace isn't cut. Now when we cut the lace, it looked like it melted into the skin, but then it looked like it was, once I did my makeup, a line of demarcation. I don't know, maybe because the makeup got into it and you can see, I don't know. But right there is where, I was like, what the? See, it looks really good right there. And then we laid it down, y'all, with Honey Hair Co's a wrap.
Adjustable Me exchangeable wands, y'all.
Now for this look, we wanted to go with something really big and bushy. So we attempted to do this wand curl and then after pinned the curls. Now I love the pin curls. I could have just kept it like that, y'all. With the pin curls, like, I don't know, it's giving me such, okay, she's coming out the salon vibes, y'all. won't be talking through the makeup tutorial because it's all about Honey Hair Co, y'all. So don't forget to check them out in the description right below to purchase your hair, and you can use a discount code, which is Marie, for some money off. So let's get into the tutorial. Oh, she ready. Okay, y'all, so this is my mom basically taking out the pin curls, and she's doing a stretch method and actually taking a comb and teasing the hair upwards so that it can be bigger.
Thank y'all so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this bomb look with the hair, but I hope y'all made it to the end though, because y'all not ready. Saturday, August 30th, I will be in St. Louis, so if you haven't already RSVP and look at Instagram, definitely go head over to Instagram, or it will be in the description right below so that you go RSVP, because I know that some of my dolls don't have an Instagram or social media, they only have YouTube. So if y'all are wanting to meet me, I'll be holding my first meet and greet there, sponsored by Honey Hair Company, y'all, and it's about to be lit. So if y'all haven't already, do so down in the description right below so that y'all can come and meet me, y'all. I'm so excited because I never did a meet and greet before. It never went as planned. So definitely I would love to see y'all there, and don't forget to go check out them in the description right below. And until then, I'll see you dolls at the meet and greet. Bye y'all.